Hello traders, hope you are all doing great, and I am sure you had a very tough day today because of volatility, and I really don't know what is the reason behind this volatility. If it is US futures, of course it is US futures, I can say, because US future was going up and down. Yesterday, in fact, US market was really bad. It was down. Dow Jones was down by more than 600 points at one point of the time. S&P, Nasdaq, everything was down, and today we gapped down around 100, maybe 120 points, and immediately all this gap, and we touched almost 17. We gapped down at 17,380 levels, then we touched 17,500 all within 5 minutes. Then it came down below 17,500, and we are sitting somewhere around 17,600 levels, right? That is what happened today. Highly super high volatile trading session. And let me say you, yeah, this is one. We are sitting somewhere around 17,623, right? Now many people talk many things. Many people say it is a 20 EMA. Many people talk about a German thing. I don't know how German is involved in these things and all. See, this gas prices and all, it's a very old story. It's been for more than 6 months. It's been since Russia-Ukraine issue has started. It's there. Okay, now we don't have to talk about Russia-German thing and all, right? That is the whole thing. And even the London FTSE is not reacting to German market. Why we have to react? Or why the world has to react? So that is a different scenario. I don't want to talk about that. As I told you yesterday, markets are going to be on the negative side even today, even after market rallying from 17. I wouldn't say a rally, this is just a short covering rally. People were short, had a heavy short from 18,000, almost 18,000 level to 17,300 levels. They have short at 700 points movement in just 3 trading session today till today morning. Then obviously you will see a short covering. No, everybody is sitting in profit. I am sitting in profit because I have shorted, right? We cannot expect the market to keep on moving in one direction, right? That's why that short covering will happen. But what the data suggests is that even though market has rallied, is closed above 17,500, there is no significant call rating in options, right? You have to remember that when you see it in an open interest perspective, right? So till 26, market are going to be volatile, maybe up and down here and there. US future is also really, I think it's almost flat. Yeah, this is the US US futures. When our market closed, it was around 50 or 60 points. Now it is down by 22 points. Whoever had return put option today, seeing this price action, today's price action, I really don't know what is going to happen tomorrow. I may go wrong. In fact, today what I did, I have written some call option in September expiry also. So I still believe my perspective about the market is I'm still bearish, because one day there is reversal. It doesn't mean markets are going to touch lifetime high 18,600. Everybody is bullish. From TV anchors to almost all YouTubers to Telegram group, everyone is bullish. Were bullish. I was the one who was bearish, and I can tell you I really made good money when I was bearish, when I took a contra view last week. And you know what happened? We came from 18,000 all the way to 17,300, right? So that's what we have been doing, and I'm still doing, and I will carry short position. If in case the market even goes a little bit higher, I will still maybe I will add more call option, right? So that's what call option, in the sense I'm not going to add any naked call option. Of course I will hedge my position. Many people say when we tell we are going to short the market, or when we are going to sell call option, many people talk like they think I'm an amateur trader, and they say, why you are shorting the option, that and this. You don't have to worry about me, right? So that's this thing, simple thing I want to tell you. Even now I am bearish, and I believe market may go to 17,000 levels. So I am expecting that this 17,500, 17,300, there is a gap formation. So if you see this chart, let me take you to this charts. This is not a chart, this is US futures. So if you see this one day, if I change this to 1 day chart, you can see that there was a small gap around this level around 13th April. There was a gap, right? This gap is trying to be filled. So today exactly it opened at the gap and it was filled. Market went rallied like anything. So this gap was filled today. So we'll wait and see tomorrow what happens. Uh, I really don't think market will rally or go to 18,000 levels and all, 18,600 or 18,500. I don't think it is going to go. I'm still short in the market. And coming back to the open interest, in spite of all these things, there is very little spike in put option writing. And look at the call option writing. From yesterday's, if you see this data, 19th August, there was around 1 crore 10 lakh calls being written, and if you see today, it has increased to 1 crore 30 lakh calls which are written. And if you see the put option, yesterday it was around 80 lakh, today it is just 82 lakh. So that's why I'm saying data doesn't suggest that we should be long in the market. Still, there is no aggressive put writing. Calls are still active in the market, even though nobody have written calls in the market. Calls today, still active calls which have been written earlier is still intact. So I wouldn't go long in the market. So that is my perspective about this market, right? So I hope maybe this expiry we will expire between 17,300 to maybe 17,700. And I don't have any position. Yesterday itself I have squared off most of my August position, which was sitting in good profit. So squared off, exited. Today I entered a call option, sold call option in September expiry. So in case, as I told you, in case the market moves higher also, I will sell some call option both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So that is the thing. Right. And many people ask about few days back 2 or 3 days back, one guy called me and he was short in Adani, I think, and Adani kept on moving on the higher side. He is asking me what to do, what I can do. Before you are taking the trade, did you ask me? No, right? But when something goes wrong, people call and ask me what to do. There is nothing you can do. If you are in loss, you are in loss. Book the loss, come out, take another trade. That's it, right? This thing you have to understand. There is no way, if you are in loss, you can manage that position and come out with profit, right? So that is the thing I want to tell you. Still I am short in the market. That is my view, that is my perspective. I will short the market even if the market goes little higher. In case it goes and touches lifetime high, I'll have to break my head and I will have to see how I can manage my position, right? So that's it for today, nothing much. I hope I have summarized, and let us see if this FII data has come. FII data, yeah, I think it has come, right? Yeah. Today FIIs have bought for around 563 crores and DIIs have sold for around 215 crores. So this FIIs, you have to remember about this FIIs, okay? Whenever they want to take the market, they just slow down the selling, and in case they want to sell, take the market downside, they increase their selling. That is what they do, and that is very usual nowadays, right? Okay. Nothing much. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.